లక్ష్మికి చాలా పెద్ద థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పాలి ఇలాంటి షోని ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో తీసుకోవడానికి. ఎందుకంటే వీ ఆల్ ఫీల్ మన చారిటీ చేయాలి, ఆర్ఫనేజ్లో వెళ్ళి వీ గివ్ సంబడి, ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్ హ్యావ్ దట్ ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్. But we don't have a platform, or we don't have a platform where we can actually see what kind of pain these people go through. So ee show lo elletappudu I was like you all know selling vegetables, and oka 10-year-old girl cancer suffer chestundi, so her treatment was going on. And nijanga when I met the family, నాకు ఏం మాట్లాడాలి, ఎలా కన్సోల్ చేయాలి, ఏం చెప్పాలి ఏమీ అర్థం కాలేదు. Both of us were speechless. Reason being, no matter how much, wherever we reach, when you try and step into these people's situation, it's just full of worries. And mana worry aim ledu, like we're really blessed, and really I think I should be thankful to God that He gave me this opportunity to be able to help someone and bring a change in someone's life. So I'm feeling so happy that I could bring a change in someone's life, and imagine how much effort she's been putting in getting so many stories. And inkokati, I know that behind the scenes how much effort she has put to check the genuinity of the cases, because చాలా మంది వస్తారు నాకు అవసరం ఉంది, నా దగ్గర డబ్బు లేవు, ఇది అది, కానీ నిజంగా జెన్యున్ ఎనీ కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. షీస్ గాన్ త్రూ దాట్, షీస్ చెక్ దాట్, అండ్ I think it's great. And we all should, all the actors I'm sure are going to support you, like Sushant said, and we're really happy that you got us on board. And I don't know, I think it's a great experience, very very good initiative by Janmati TV to be supporting a show like this. And once again very happy that I could bring little difference to someone's life. I want to thank akkada vachi people ki, janal ki, they also ended up paying extra money. Ante 60 rupees vegetable worth unte 100 icharu, 250 unte 300 icharu. There were people who gave like 1000 for a 700 bill. So normal audience కూడా చాలా హెల్ప్ చేసింది, చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేసింది. సో ఎవ్రీబడి హూ వాచెస్ దిస్ షో, I want to send out this message that we should all, everybody has worries and everybody has troubles, but I think we should think beyond that and try to make a difference in anyone's life if we can. Like Lakshmi mentioned, tuitions, or teach if you can support someone's education, then that, but we should try and do the least minimum that we can. Thank you.
కలూరి సింతామణి నా పేరంటే తెలియనోళ్ళు లేరే జాని, వయసు లెక్క సీక్రెటు గాని నన్నడగ మాక అంటాంది జారేవుని. బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ నీ లైఫ్